Clean with me. Today I'm going to be cleaning the inside of a toilet bowl with mouthwash and a brush. The first thing that I'm going to do is add mouthwash to the toilet bowl. I'm just going to use a cup full of mouthwash using the cup that came with the mouthwash. Simply pour in a cup of mouthwash within the bowl. And then take the brush and clean the entire inside of the toilet bowl, making sure that you don't miss one spot. You'll start to notice the minty fresh smell coming from the toilet bowl. That's the mouthwash doing its magic. After you've scrubbed the inside of the toilet bowl, replace the brush, flush the toilet, and you'll have a minty, fresh toilet bowl. Thank you for cleaning with me.